I just purchased the cheapest vinyl record player from Amazon, so let's check it out and see how it performs. The package comes with a power adapter. This thing comes with a 4.5-foot cord, an RCA cable, an auxiliary cable, your user manual, and a repair guide. It also comes with this customer service card that you can use to contact them if you have any problem. To the front of the unit, you have your power and Bluetooth indicator, you have your headphone jack, you have your on-off knob and volume control, and your stereo speakers. To the top is your crystal clear dust cover, and when you open it up, to this side of the unit, you have your on-off auto stop button, you have your speed selector, you have your tone arm level, and this is your tone arm. And right here is your stylus. This is the small adapter for your 45 records. So you can put it right here if you have the 45. And this is the turntable platter. To the back of the unit, you have your USB port. This is going to allow you to play music from your flash drive. It will also allow you to record music from your vinyl player to the USB drive. This is the auxiliary and RCA jack, so you can connect the external speaker to your device. And this is your power input. This is very easy to use. Just put in the record of your choice, remove the stylus cover, unlatch the control arm lock, turn the power and volume and power knob clockwise, lift the control arm using the lever, move the control arm to the music you want it to play, and lower the control arm lever. I'll stop the music here so we don't get hit with a copyright notice. You also want to make sure that you select the correct speed and set the auto start stop on the on position so that the unit will automatically stop when it hits the end of the album. You can also close the top cover while you are playing your records. Overall, I really like this record player. It's great for beginners or if you just wanted to be able to listen to the records you inherited from your parents or your grandparents. It has decent sound, and with its Bluetooth capability, you'll be able to play music from your phone. And with the available speaker connection, you can also add a better speaker when you're ready. There you have it. If this is helpful, you can support my channel by clicking the like button and leaving a comment below. And if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to give this product a try, you can use my Amazon affiliate link in the description. Using an affiliate link helps creators like myself without any added cost to you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.